Hey everyone! Welcome back to Honest Straight Review, the channel where I tell you the truth about products, no fluff, just straight to the point. Today, I'm reviewing AppaNail. Does it really work? Is it worth your money? Stick around until the end, because I'll share everything you need to know before buying it. So, what exactly is AppaNail? It's a natural supplement designed to support nail and skin health, especially for people struggling with brittle nails, yellow discoloration, or fungal infections. The manufacturer promises that AppaNail helps fight harmful fungi from the inside out, supports healthy nail growth, and improves the overall appearance of your nails and skin. Now let's talk about the good stuff. First, AppaNail is made from natural ingredients like herbs, vitamins, and minerals. No harsh chemicals. It works from within, addressing the root cause of nail fungus rather than just covering the symptoms. Many users report stronger, clearer nails after consistent use. Another plus, it also helps improve skin health and overall immunity, which is a nice bonus. Of course, no product is perfect, and I want to be honest with you. The results are not overnight. You need patience and consistency, sometimes a few weeks to see real changes. Also, AppaNail is only available through the official website, so you won't find it in pharmacies or local stores. And finally, it may not work the same for everyone depending on the severity of the fungal problem. So, is AppaNail worth it? In my opinion, yes. If you're dealing with nail fungus or want healthier and stronger nails, it's a solid option backed by natural ingredients. But if you're looking for an instant miracle solution, this is not it. You'll need consistency. Overall, I'd recommend AppaNail for people who want a natural and safe way to restore nail health. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and drop a comment below if you've ever tried AppaNail or have any questions. And remember, the official link to the product is right here in the description, so check it out to avoid fakes and get the real deal.